Ever wonder why cats are so weird? Let's get to the bottom of it. Your kitty's secrets revealed. Why do cats love to knock things off tables? Believe it or not, they're natural hunters, testing their skills. And who can resist a good paw swipe, right? Ever seen a cat suddenly dart around like a furry rocket? That's called the zoomies. They're just releasing pent-up energy. It's their version of a workout. And what's up with cats needing you like dough? That's a sign of affection. They did it to their moms as kittens, so you're basically their favorite human now. So next time your cat does something bizarre, just remember, they're not weird, they're just being cats. Stay curious, cat lovers.